A very good morning, students. I hope you all are fine, all geared up for the class. Today, our topic for the class is letter writing, and this is from your writing skill portion, a very interesting piece of writing. Students, now is the time of technology. We are having computers, laptops at our disposal. If we want to communicate with our near and dear ones, we can just email them, text them, or we can even do video chat with them. So earlier this was not the thing. Technology was not at our disposal like it's now. So what people used to do that time, they used to convey messages through letters. Okay, so the letters are having a relevance. So that is the thing we are dealing with today. We will start our topic. I will teach you letter writing. What is a letter? Types of letters, formal and informal. But today, primarily, we will deal with formal letter because in your course you have formal letter. So let's begin our session. So, what is basically a letter? Now, a letter is one person written message to another addressing to some matter of common concern. Obviously, it's a means of communication. And communicating what? Something of the common concern. Letters are of two types: formal letter, informal letter. Okay, formal and informal. A letter written for a formal purpose is called a formal letter, means it should be formal. It should not have details. Whatever is written, it should be restricted and it should be casual. It addresses a serious issue. Serious issue is to be addressed. Number three, it's always written for an official purpose. For example, letter to the editor, letter to the principal, letter to the teacher, letter to the police. Always written for an official purpose to some authority. Are you getting me? Then informal letter. What do you mean by, students, informal letter? Informal letter, a little letter written for an informal purpose is called an informal letter. It is written for a casual purpose. You can also write a little bit of details. For example, when you write a letter to the parents, your parents, so you can even share your emotions with them, but that cannot be done in case of formal letter. Okay, that can be done only in case of informal letter. Letter to the siblings means brothers and sisters, letter to friends, etc. So this is informal letter. We don't have to do informal letter in this class. I've just discussed it. We have to primarily focus on formal letter. So what is the formal letter? The format of formal letter is as follows. Sender's address means your address. You are the sender. Then leave a space. Arrow means leave a space. Date like this. This is not the correct thing. You will not write it like this. You will write date like this. Then receiver's address, the person to whom you are writing the letter. Principal, class teacher, police, anybody. Then salutation, greeting, respected sir or madam. Then leave a line, subject. Subject is the crux of this letter. The main thing about the letter. That is, for example, you have to write about the sick leave. So sick leave will be your subject. Then body. Body comes here. Whatever content is will be here only. After body, you will have to do the closure. Closure you will do by thanking, and after that you will leave a line, yours obediently. You will always, you can write, oh, yours obediently, yours truly in case of formal writing, because you have to, you are a student and you are writing, for example, to the principal, so you have to show some respect, isn't it? I told you earlier also, it's always in the formal setting. Your obediently, your name and your class. Okay, once again I will show you the format. See, got it? Now we will do the letter. Write an application to your principal for sick leave. Again, what you have to do, address means your address, sender's address, date, receiver's address. Receiver is the principal here, Army Public School, Srinagar. Then respected sir. If the female principal is there, you can write madam, but in our case it's a male, so you will write respected sir. Then leave a space, subject, application for leave. Okay, then here comes the body. With due respect, I would like to inform you that I could not attend the school as I am down due to the fever As per the doctor, I need to take bed rest for at least 3 days. In the circumstances, I hope that you would be kind enough to grant me leave for these days. Thanking you, yours obediently, ABC class 3. So closure also you have done by thanking and by writing yours obediently. This was the letter. Let me show you once again. Okay. Okay, right. Now the next letter. You have lost your school diary. Write an application to the class teacher of your school requesting her to issue a new diary to you. Now, here what you will do, again, the sender's address, date, receiver's address, salutation, respected madam, because you're writing to the class teacher. Subject is for application for issuing a new diary. Then you will write the body. With respect, I want to say that I am a student of your class. Through this application, I want to say that I have lost my school diary 2 days ago when I was writing diary. Then I forgot my diary in the school. Next day, I couldn't find my diary anywhere. So I request you to issue a diary to me so that I can write my daily homework in it. Thanking you. You have to do the closure. Yours obediently, XYZ, third. Third, A, B, or C. Yours obediently, XYZ means your name. See again. Okay, students. So I will just do a quick recapitulation of what we did today. First of all, we discussed about the letter, then types of letter, formal and informal. Formal requires a formal tone, formal setting. It is having a serious issue. Okay, it can be written as it addresses a serious issue. It can be written to editor, to principal, to teacher. Okay, then informal letter can be written to parents, siblings, having an informal tone. Then the format. Then letter number 1 that I discussed with you, example. Then another example. This is it. So students, this is all about letter writing. I hope that you will be able to write it correctly now. I will send you the homework also in the next session regarding the letter writing portion. But in this class, you will only concentrate on these two letters, and you will write these two letters example in your copies, in your notebooks. Next time, I will give you assignment, and you will write one letter yourself. Thank you so much.